Now, can you go every day to grocery shop? Like, or do they?
That's what people were doing in Spain. I wasn't, because I wasn't sure if I had coronavirus or not. So I tried to stay indoors and I tried to be as responsible as I could. But I noticed that most of the people that I had contact with via WhatsApp, like they would make an excuse to go to the supermarket at least once or twice per day. And the times that I went to the and actually, no, and this is funny. Actually, I remember once going to the supermarket and one of their staff started telling me that some people that were using Tinder, they were meeting in supermarket.
Interesting.
So that was a technique. They were like, oh, shall we meet in this supermarket this day, this time? And they would end up going there, or, the younger people who wanted to look at, their boyfriend or girlfriend, they would just meet in the supermarket once or twice per day. So the staff from the supermarkets were really annoyed because, they are in a vulnerable position. So they started noticing these continuous regular customers, and they started telling them like, please don't come like twice a day, just come whenever you really need it. So yeah, that was something that was happening in Spain.
Interesting. It's like those old, like the Sopranos, I don't know if you've seen it, but whenever the mafia would meet to have these meetings, they would go to like some hardware store or some big store where nobody could listen to them, and they would just kind of look like they're shopping and walk around.
Meet me in aisle 5, right next to the pasta.